Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, today is the match day. Uthemba is going to play his game Unjengaye in the Dlamini household. He is waking up everyone, everyone's getting up. What's this noise for? Uthemba is in the kitchen already. Uendeni is so annoyed, you guys. Unjengaye is like, hey Themba, ukuphi? Uthemba's like, Baba, Unjengaye is like, ukuphi? And then Uthemba's like, hi bo baba, like umsindo, like ekuseni kangaka. Unjengaye is like, hi, I'm mfanam. Awakho manje. Uthemba's like, Baba, what the game is only later on today. That time Uthemba is in his pajamas. Unjengaye is like, hi, Themba. Utrina comes downstairs, she's like, umsindo mngaka ngithi mina kuyasha or something, kanti this is all for a game. Uthemba's like, Baba, what do you have? Unokuzana Unjengaye is like, hi man, today is like a special day. Uvusi is also downstairs. He's like, Konje Themba, uthe udlala yiphi formation namhlanje? And then Uthemba's like, oh, udlala E442. Guys, I don't know nothing about soccer, so anyway, the ones who understand it, understand it. So Uthemba's like, udlala E442. And then Uvusi's like, ngathi khona umkhohliwe, ngathi khona okhohle ukumbala. Cause mina ngize ukuthi nina nidlala i-443. Unjengaye looks at Uvusi, is like, yabona wena. Then he looks at Uthemba, is like, hey, ungamnaki lona, ungamlaleli lona. You must focus ke ngani yami. You must focus mfanami. Ungavumeli nje ama-defenders ukuthi akorobhe ngawo. Uyangizwa Themba? Themba's like, yebo baba ngiyakuzwa. When Zen is like, hayi iyakhathaza lento bandla. Then Utrina's like, hey futhi, this conversation is gonna go on forever. Then they leave the dining room, they go back upstairs. Unjengaye is like, lalela ke mfanami. Uyabona wonke umuntu laphayana uzobe ebhekiwe nje. There will be scouts laphayana. Mele wenze sure ukuthi uyagama nje. Uyagama utshengise ukuthi ungusiba olukhulu laphayana and play well. Uvusi yahlela laphayana. Unjengaye is like, udlale kahle, udlalisise. Uyangizwa? Uthemba's like, yeah, ngiyakuzwa sure baba. Yo shame Uthemba waze wavelela, but listen, I love how Unjengaye is so involved and he is so excited for Uthemba. Next scene, guys, we see Untombela. He is at Uvuma's house. They are sitting there. Usangweni is sitting doing his homework. So Untombela is saying to Uvuma, yabona ke manje nje ukuvula kabusha wemgazini factory, hayi kubuyise isithunzi nje emzini nami. Uvuma's like, oh okay. Untombela's like, yabona nje fanele ukuthi ngikukhombisa isithombe of what umfanami ukuthi uhleleni once sekathole iposition yakhe. He takes out his phone, atshengisa Uvuma-ke izithombe of a house that uSipho promised to build for Untombela. So ulokhuzana-ke, he's like, nakhu ubheka-ke. Untombela is showing Uvuma. Uvuma's like, oh okay. And then Untombela's like, uSipho nje once eqedile nge-internship yakhe eselungele ukuthi aqashe aphathe laphayana emgazini factory, this is what he's going to build for us. Untombela's like, yabona Mbambo, lo muzi ngama-levels nje, ama-levels kuphela uyabona. Yabona nje iqopho ngizoyibuka yonke nentaba zakhona nje. Umuzi wenkosi ngizowubukela phezulu from ekamereni lami lokulala. Then Uvuma's like, oh okay. Ophinde ungivezele. He looks again. Untombela's like, ama-levels lawa Uvuma-ke. Uvuma's like, oh yiplani. Hayi uSibongile hlele wadweba nje amaplani. Futhi nje uSibongile udweba amaplani for amabhilidi amakhulu. I'm just like, really? Uvuma, why did he have to make it about uSibongile now when Untombela's speaking about uSipho? Anyway, Uvuma goes on to say, uyabona uSibongile ubukhali nje. Leya ngane if ayikho eklasini usuke se-library. Usangweni is like, hayibo baba, unesiqiniseko ngalokho baba. And then Uvuma's like, hayibo, uqonda ukuthini ngalowo mbuzo uSangweni? Uhlanganaphi nezinto zabantu abadala wena, ungenaphi? Ngoba phela wena ireport yakho yokugcina lathi ukuthi wena ukhonze ukudlala. udlala kakhulu and you need to focus on imfundo zakho. Awunyusi imfundo zakho uyeke izinto zabantu abadala nje. Hayi cha, uNtombela says, hayi Mbambo, yazi mkhulu like makhulu amathemba onawo ngentodakazi yakho ne? And then that scene just ends like that. I'm just like, because I'm really ashamed the way they shut him down there and there. But really, at this time and point, does Uvuma really know what Usbongile is up to? Because listen, Usbongile, yay, guys. Anyway, Usmongile, speaking about that Usmongile Ulele, guys. She's sleeping and then she hears her phone vibrating. Avugeke, she's like, Eshuban, manje lona. She looks for the phone. Meganokuzana, when she gets the phone, she sees the time. She's like, how am Zama? Uzama lapaya nulele, guys. Angithi last night they went out and Uzami aziphuze like angmazike usibongile. So Sbongile is like, how am I? Zama vuga si late. I'm just like, Sbongile, since when is this your life? Njano nje ingathi Sbongile these days she's late. Uzama gets up, she's like, we ayingeke mngani, like namhlanje nje I'm not going to class. Yabona nje i-sociology mngani angiyizwa nje impela namhlanje. Futhi ke ukhona umnganami othe ukuthi uzongirecordela laphayana, so ngizoyilalela later and then I will catch up. Usibongile is like, uzokurecordela. That's nice. And then uNokuzana Uzama is like, yeah, mngani nawe nje, if you want it, ngizokuthumela yona i-recording, or like nje, like don't stress yourself about that. Usibongile yambona ukuthi she's contemplating whether she should go to class or no. Then uZama is like, Ima, oh, uyamkhumbula lo mfana, oh, obabayo nje wayizolo. Ugcine etextile, oh, Usibongile is like, umfana waphi loyo? Uzama's like, na, oh, lo omuhle bowudanisa naye laphayana. Usibongile's like, mina Zama, nginendoda nje. And then Uzama's like, kodwa okusalayo mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngiboneni izolo. Oh, Usibongile's like, yazini, ngeke ngize ngimoshe usuku lwami lokuphumula, uzovela ngiziyele eThekwini. And then Uzama says, mngani awuyibonanga ifone yami? Sibongile's like, no, angiyibonanga. Sibongile takes out her phone, she sends a voice note. I'm guessing she's sending it to Ukwenzo. She's like, sawubona sithandwa sami, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila. Bengithi mina alubuza ukuthi can we spend time namhlanje, sichithe isikhathi ndawonye namhlanje. Then that scene ends like that. Then next scene we see uNengelosi and uPhetheni at the Dlamini mansion. They are in the kitchen. So uPhetheni is looking at uNengelosi in some funny way. uNengelosi is like, indaba wangibheka kanjani? uPhetheni is like, izolo ebusuku ukhulume ngento esavumalana ukuthi ngeke siyijivule yandaba. Why wenze lokho? uNengelosi is like, uyazi nawe ukuthi menginyukelwa yi-high I tend to talk non-stop. Sengimdala phela kuPhetheni. uPhetheni is like, hey ma, musa nje ungikhohlise, wazi kahle ukuthi ubowenzani izolo. uNengelosi then says, yes, yazi if bengifuna ubatshela ngabe ngibatshele yonke into uPhetheni, kodwa ke uyazi ukuthi nje nginguma wakho and I've got your back. Ngibonile nje ukuthi ingathi kuyabheda, then ngazibamba nje, I held my tongue and then ngakuvikela. uPhetheni is like, wangivikela wena uvikele mina? Wake wangivikela nini ma? uNengelosi then says, awungitshele Phetheni, uhlala kulendlu enhle, unezisebenzi nje ziyaphuma ziyangena lana kwaDlamini, uzidombona lapho ndo nje. Mina uthi ngidlani, ngoba phela nale top up onginikeza yona njalo ngenyanga incane kabi. And then uPhetheni just says, wow. I'm just like, uNengelosi, I was also like, wow, what do you mean ukuthi incane kabi? Kanti like, what do you need money for? Because busy, you drink away your money. So like, why should uPhetheni be topping you up with more money for your own bad habits? Anyway, next scene ke uZama ke uphethe ibhabhalaza yakhe. She's walking on campus eating chips or something like that. And then she sees Uvuma. Atuke, guys. And then she turns away. Kanti uVuma already saw her. Uvuma's like, again uZama lo. Where's Zama? hawu ngaze nganenhlanhla yabo wangcono ukuthi ngahlangana nawe. Uzama has to stop. She's like, sawubona baba uvuma. Uvuma then says ukuthi ninjani. Wabuke ingathi awuphilile mntanami. Ngathi hayi unebhabhalaza lo baba uvuma. Uzama like, yebo baba. Azikhohlelisa laphana. Shakyo umkhuhlane baba ungibambe phansi. Then uvuma like, fanele usukume ke nina ninomkhuba nje to not take care of yourselves. Kanti ke lo mkhuhlane wamanje uyahlupha. Uzama like, yebo baba ngizowenza njalo. Then uvuma like, kanti uphi uSibongile? Uzama like, uSibongile, uSibongile uvuke ekuseni waye eklasini and then she stopped epharmacy bokukhona ama-vitamins, ama-vitamins bokumele ukuthi awathenge. And then uvuma like, akaphilile yini umntanami? Uzama like, cha baba, alright baba, alright nje kakhulu. She just needed something ukuthi ezoboosta i-immune system yakhe for u-energy. Angithi uyazi baba ukuthi siyafunda nje. And then uvuma like, oh, uzama like, kodwa nje ungithumela umyalezo wathi nje ukuthi le pharmacy that you went to istoko asikho, so ngicabanga ukuthi uvele waye edrobheni. Uvuma like, how? Kwakubi ke lokho ngoba ngithe ngimlethela ukudla kanti futhi ngifuna umbona. Hayi shuthi ke ngizomlinda mntanami. Ngizolinda emaresi kunina, ngizomlinda, ngiyabonga mntanami. And then he walks off like that. As he's walking off, Uzama's like, yebo baba. She takes her phone, she sings a voice note to Sibongile. She's like, Sibongile when baba kulani yakufuna. Oh, abanga like, I had to lie to him. I really hope that you get to see him before you go to Durban, yes? And then that scene ends. Next scene, kanti uSibongile, she's already at Tegwini at her man's house. She's at Ukwenza's place. They are busy eating pizza laphayana. So Sibongile is like, yazi kade ngagcina ukuhlala nawe kanjena sizi pizza ndawonye. And then Ukwenza's like, awusho Sibongile, shouldn't you be esikolweni? Phela wangitshela ukuthi le khoso yenzayo inzima. uSibongile is like, hayibo, ngiyaphumula nje kanti umuntu la akakwazi nje ukuthatha ibreak azihlalele nomuntu wakhe. Ukwenza zathi okay, all right. Sibongile is like, yazi I missed spending time with you Kwenzo futhi ngizizwe ingathi benginganaso isikhathi sakho. And then Ukwenzo is like, iclass lakho lona. Usibongile zakhuleka nje like a girl from class said that she will share her notes that she took with me. Ukwenzo looks at her. You can see ukuthi Ukwenzo's not happy about this whole thing. He looks at her, he's like, yazi mina Sibongile, angifuni ukuthi usileke emsebenzini wakho wesikolo ngenxa yendoda. Indoda ayibaleki, hlezi ikhona. As ekhuluma kanjalo, uSibongile's phone rings. And then she takes her phone, she looks at it, she sees ukuthi kufone uvuma. She's like, hawe ma Kwenzo, ngubaba, cabanga. She answers the phone. She's like, sawubona baba, ngabe konke kuhamba kahle. Uvuma zathi, Mambambo, awutholanga yini umlayezo wami? Usibongile zathi, umlayezo? She quickly checks her phone. She's like, ngiyaxolisa baba, kodwa ngisendleleni ebuyayo manje, ngeke ngithathe isikhathi eside. And then uvuma zathi, kanti ukuphi wena? Usibongile says, bengidinga ama-vitamins baba, bengidinga ama-vitamins, ngiyabuya manje. And then the phone just cuts. But yambona ukuthi Kwenzo's not happy because remember, uSibongile just said ukuthi she lied to the father and said she's going or she's busy with getting ama-vitamins, while Kwenzo, she told Kwenzo a different story. And remember, Kwenzo benovuma bayazwana manje, so obviously Kwenzo's not going to be comfortable with uSibongile lying to her father. Ukwenzo looks at her, he's like, ukambela ubaba kamanga. And then uSibongile zakhe indaba ende Kwenzo, please. Ukwenzo zakhe kulungile ke, shuthi leyo ndaba ende sowuzongiqoqela yona sibuyele emuva. He takes his keys, so meaning that he's willing to drive uSibongile back to campus. uSibongile zathi, hawu kanjani Kwenzo, bengicabanga ukuthi mina nawe sizospend isikhathi together. Ukwenza zathi cha, angeke sikwazi ukuspend isikhathi, angitshitshele ubaba wakho ukuthi usendleleni. So nami ke kumele ukuthi ngiye ofisini ngihlangane noThabile, the new editor. Sibongile ngicela ukuthi uthathe isikhwama sakho sihambe. Then that scene ends like that. Next scheme ke uzama uhlele cafeteria usibongile. This is I guess hours later. Usibongile arrives. Usibongile zathi Zama uphi ubaba. Uzama zathi ayibo usehambile. Uthe ngoba akakwazi ukulinda or uthe akakwazi ukulinda because akakwazi ukudrive ebusuku because uneyinkinga namehlo, something like that. And then she goes on to say ukushiyele lokhu ke, which is the food or the grocery that uvuma bought for her. Usibongile zathi hawe ma, mina nje ave ngiyingane ebhedayo, ubaba nje angimfanele. As she's speaking like that, Usibongile gets a text on her phone and then she reads the text out loud. The text says, "Dear student, today was the submission of your group practical and you were absent." Usibongile is like, hawe Jehovah. Uzama zathi, oh, that, ngiyitholile nami leyo message. Usibongile continues reading. Your absence is concerning and may impact your term performance marks, and academic record. Please see me urgently by the end of the week. It's crucial that we work together and get you back on track. Usibongile is panicking. She's like, hawe ma Zama. Uzama like, yini? Usibongile zathi, Zama, ngizoyithini mina lento? Uzama zathi athi ngibona. She takes the phone. She's like, how? Oh, ngiyitholile nami lento lena. And then the scene just ends like that. The way Uzama is so unbothered. I'm like, Sibongile, don't forget ukuthi wena no Zama, you're not coming from the same background, so don't get comfortable. I get last scene, guys. There is dinner at the Dlaminis at kusebusuku. They are about to have dinner. Everyone is sitting on the table. Upheteni, she is so grumpy, you guys. She's like, guys, sesimlinde isikhathi esanele ke manje. Like angimazi ukuthi ukuphi ma. Wathemba nje angimazi ukuthi ukuphi. Unengelosi is not back home ngalesi sikhathi, guys. Wenzeni zathi mangisaqala bandlu ukuthi simlinde kancane, ngiyazi ukuthi uzofika ungekudala ugogo. Ugcina zathi awume akashanga ukuthi uyodlala u5. And then unjenga is like, Mavis, u5 uyadlula lana in our neighborhood. And then uMavis then says, how baba, angazi lutho ngendaba ka5, angikembuli nje mina. Unjengayo was like, how? Bengizitshela ukuthi wena nonengolosi mhlampeni. uMavis is like, mina baba ngingu-chairperson womama esontweni. I take Proverbs 31 to heart. Then uPhetheni is like, hey, okay, fine. Asidleni ke, let's eat this biryani. Then uNelly comes and then she's dishing up for people. Uwenzeni is like, cha, ungangiphakeli mina ngizolinda. uThemba walks in from upstairs. uThemba zathi mina bengicela ukuthi ningiphakele double J leya match. Like, imagine umuntu okore igoli. I was the man of the match. Like, really, I need all the food. So everyone's laughing, they're congratulating uThemba etafuleni. Uwenzeni zathi manje ke everything is about ibhola. Man of the match in like awukahle Themba. Akekho nje oyedwa lana kini ocabanga ukuthi ukuphi ugogo or if she's even safe. She looks at uPhetheni. She's like, indaba vele wena ma. Like, indaba unje. Indaba umunu kugogo kanje. And then uPhetheni looks at uwenzeni. She's like, awumazi ugogo wakho ne? Wena usazoginqa usazombona ukuthi like she's not the type of person you must have expectations on because she will let you down. Whereas like umxoshile yini ma, angithi umxoshile, that's why engekho ugogo. Unjengayo is like, hey wena wenzeni, angithi uthe awufuna ukudla. And then uwenzeni is like, vele ngishilo ukuthi angifuni ukudla. Then unjengayo is like, okay fine, upstairs then. Upstairs wenzeni just gets up and she leaves. Guys, I'm just like, I hope she did not disappear, guys, because uwenzeni's heart will be so broken. You can see ukuthi she feels like a connection nogogo wakhe, and I'm really hoping ukuthi ugogo wakhe wherever she is ukuthi uzomcabangela ingane, like if she could just think about uwenzeni and come back, guys, because if she doesn't, uwenzeni is really gonna be crushed. But anyway, guys, that is the recap of the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.